parts.
I'm a soul man. I'm a soul man.
There we are. You know. We should make videos. Hello and welcome for those of you who have nothing going on in your life for the next 10 minutes. What are we doing today, Alex?
Well, Reliable Red broke down again, didn't it, Brooklyn?
My head got blue.
What was that?
My head gasket blew!
Yeah, I didn't hear you.
My head gasket blew.
That's right, Brooklyn! It blew!
But thanks to the magic of video editing, you're gonna get a first-hand experience on our mechanical expertise. I hope you enjoy.
So you didn't.
Well, now that we finally started, one of our members is gone. He called in sick today. He's having a bit of cramps this morning, so.
He fell asleep.
After successfully taking the throttle body off, we have now determined that we need to do something else. We got oil in thermostat housing. Indicates a blown gasket.
Which confirms what we're fixing for, so that's good.
So,
Good sign we're doing the right thing right now. So now we have push-pull remover for fuel line, so we can actually properly remove that and not damage anything and cost ourselves $70 more for a new fuel line, because that would be not a good thing. Yeah. Okay. So we got the valve cover off, and we could see that one worry we had was that the cylinder head would actually be cracked. But it seems to be good. So I think we really just have a blown gasket problem. Maybe eating my words later, but for now I'm happy.
For those of you who are still watching on your stupid computer, I guess, it's almost 2 o'clock
Is it really?
in the morning. Alex showed up a couple hours ago.
I've been the most productive.
Supposed to be here at 1:30.
Yeah, like 12 hours.
12 hours
12 hours late. Brooklyn's preparing his valve cover for some Chevy Orange
For some
paint.
performance enhancement.
It's the fact that Chevy Orange makes everything more reliable. So for you BMW owners out there, this is the
It'll
stuff.
make your car go faster.
It's faster because it's got a better engine on it.
Yeah!
Ooh, it's got it.
Did it!
Yeah, apparently this AMC engine that's American made is all metric.
That's almost as bad as the communists. Improvisation! Oh,
I don't think I've done it.
it's wonderful.
So we finally got the intake manifold detached from the head. Unfortunately, we found out that there is a pretty significant crack that starts here and runs all the way here on the inside and out. Let's see if you can get a look at that. Now, we're not experts in this field, but we don't think that caused the overheating issue, or at least was not a result of the overheating issue. But it's definitely something that needs to get replaced.
Getting tired there from weeing.
Is that that dog? It's that dog.
How much? I'm gonna try it.
Okay, hang on. Sorry.
I don't want to fall on this table again.
It's such a bad idea.
No, we're not doing it again.
I'll break my camera.
This thing is not long enough. I couldn't swing it around from where
I could see it swing.
It's just an action
You don't need to
shot.
hold it. Watch it just never even be wide enough to fit in there. Just don't tell him we did this. Brian, for your information, it wasn't me.
Wait, hold on though. Hold on.
I got it!
Okay.
We made a tool. I hope this works. God. We made tools. What did you do? Nothing. It's working. Kind of.
It's so close coming out. What? No, what? No.
Well, move on to make the Sebring. Since it was just so cold outside, we didn't want it to, even hit.
So, despite all of our mistakes, errors, stupidity,
Bad idea.
um,
Lots of stupidity.
Kind of.
yes, we've managed to unbolt all of the
Hardware,
hardware, everything. Anything touching the head is gone, done away with. So we're gonna lift it off.
Well, I think we're just supposed to mainly just take the gasket off and then you spray that under it. Or it was to get the rest of the gunk off, right?
I suppose.
That's what I always. The purpose was to get all the gunk off, like even off the actual head. Because yeah, this leaves a residue. That's what that's.
Oh, so it does just pop off easily then.
Yeah, it's just you gotta get a good tug to it.
Oh, hello. We're about to put the head gasket on. Stop that music! Yeah, put the head gasket on now.
Okay.
I don't go to the dentist, so I have to do this to clean my teeth. When opening a head gasket, it's important to be gentle. So, yeah. No, back.
You hijacked the camera again? Gosh dang it. Last time we leave him alone in the garage. But whatever. No, I'm just making
Go give me
sure.
some gloves.
I'm just making sure.
He's got gloves.
We're already touching it, so it's not.
He's got gloves on. He's okay.
Nah, do you remember which way it goes?
There's one way that says up.
Top. It says top on it right
That's
there.
his top.
Okay, good. So just make
So we
sure you-
spin it like a top.
Careful, Brooklyn! Careful, Brooklyn! Careful, Brooklyn! Careful, Brooklyn! Careful, Brooklyn!
You're stressing
Careful,
me!
Brooklyn! Careful, Brooklyn! Oh.
Alright, here.
I'm gonna go this way. This is so much easier to hold this end.
Which way? This side?
This way.
No, it's good now. It's good. We rotated it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh my god! You gotta lift it up more.
I can play. Now you gotta put that bolt in.
Oh.
I got this out.
This is an interesting predicament.
I've never thought I'd be this close to Brooklyn's butt.
I always knew you would one day.
Alright, you got it?
Okay, don't scrape that bolt though.
We're good, we're
Doesn't
good.
see this.
Up, Brooklyn, up. Keep going. Okay, slowly set it down.
Is it? How do we know? Ow!
I think it's resting on something. I don't know what's resting on.
Okay, well, move your hand though. I got it back.
I can't. I'm cramping up bad.
Oh, I'm coming. Hold on!
Yes. Forward. It's gonna be forward.
Oh, the gasket! Crap! Got the gasket. F-word.
It's on.
It's on.
Yeah, the gasket.
Wait.
It's on.
Gotta slide back this way a little bit.
Oh, no. It's good.
There, she's on.
It's on.
It's on.
It's lined up. We're good. We're good! That was awesome. We're done!
Well, actually, no, we're not done yet.
What else do we have to do?
Coolant.
Alright, so we have to drain the coolant and we have to drain the oil.
Replace those. But then we're done!
Everything mechanically though is done.
We think.
As of right now, we are done. So,
Oh, and the battery's not in yet.
boom shift out.
So, thanks to our mechanical mastery, our prowess, our mystique,
Our intellect.
You know,
other big words.
speaking of mesquite, I love barbecue potato chips.
No, just mystique, like X-Men.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, like
She was the Jeep.